We already know that this year there are 3 phones under the Samsung Galaxy S20 series just like last year. But instead of the Samsung Galaxy S20e, we have Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, which is the most feature-packed among the 3. In my last video I talked about the camera specifications of each phone under the Galaxy S20 series, but today the specifications of every phone under this series has leaked, and these were shared by a credible source. Looking at these specifications only, it looks like Samsung is going to set a new benchmark with its upcoming premium flagships because the specs are so impressive. Starting with the Samsung Galaxy S20, it has a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED Quad HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate. So yes, the 120Hz refresh rate is now confirmed. There is Exynos 990 SoC powering the Galaxy S20 5G, and there is 128GB internal storage with the option to expand the storage via microSD card up to a terabyte. The battery is a 4000 mAh unit, and Android 10 runs out of the box with One UI 2.0 on top. Coming to the cameras now, there is a triple camera setup on the back that includes a primary 12 megapixel camera, which is the new sensor with 1.8 micron pixel size and not the older 12 megapixel sensor that we used to see on Samsung flagships from past few years. There is a secondary 64 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. Then there is a third 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. There is support for 8K video recording at 30 frames per second, and it is done through the 64 megapixel camera instead of the primary 12 megapixel camera. On the front, there is a 10 megapixel camera which can shoot 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The Samsung Galaxy S20 is IP68 certified, and there are stereo speakers as well. Talking about the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, the specs are mostly the same with a few exceptions. It has a bigger 6.7-inch display, but the resolution and the refresh rate is the same. The SoC is also the same, that is Exynos 990. There are quad cameras on the back, but there is no change in the 3 cameras. They are the same as the Samsung Galaxy S20. The fourth one is a time of flight sensor. The front camera is the same as Samsung Galaxy S20. The battery is bigger as it is a 4500 mAh unit. Rest of the specifications are the same as Galaxy S20. Finally, we have the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. There is one word to describe this phone based on its specifications alone, and that's crazy. It has a massive 6.9-inch Quad HD Plus dynamic AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and Exynos 990 SoC. There is a quad camera setup on the back that includes a primary 108 megapixel camera, a secondary 48 megapixel telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom and 100 times digital zoom. Then there is a third 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a fourth time of flight sensor. That's not it. There is a 40 megapixel front camera with support for 4K 60fps video recording. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra also has the biggest battery among the 3 phones. There is a 5000 mAh battery, which is the biggest battery Samsung has ever put in its premium flagship. Now, due to such a big battery, the phone is pretty heavy at 221 grams. It is way heavier than the normal Galaxy S20 that weighs just 164 grams. So what do you think of the Samsung Galaxy S20 series after going through these specifications? Do let me know via the comments section below. I'll catch you in the next one.